Welcome back to Makeshift Garage. Today, what do we got on the chopping block? We got us a free camper, broskies. What do you think of this thing? Hey, check it out. It's got a nice 460 with a 4-barrel on it, a C6 tranny with a big, thick drive shaft that I can custom make for a Falcon. What do you think of that? Stick it in a Falcon. 64 Falcon over in Pennsylvania. We just got to go pick it up. This thing is awesome. And you know what else it got? It got a generator in the side. I'll show you. Joe hooked us up with the camper, and let me show you what he got in here. Look at this. It's a Onan, man. This is cool. I used to have one in one of my old campers. It'll push out some electricity. So I'm gonna pull this thing out and set it up in my shop for those blackout times. Let's do it, dude. And we got an 8-lug dually, broskies. Should we stick it in the Falcon? Let's get all this junk out of here. Hey, the guy works on boats. He's got boats all over the place. That's why he gave us this. He's like, dude, can you come and get this thing out of here? It's got a great 460 with like 50,000 miles on it at a C6 tranny. I'm like, you're in, broskies. He's gonna empty it, and we're gonna flat tow this puppy out of here. The brake pedal works, I checked it. Not only is Joe giving us a camper with a 460 and a C6 and a nice drive shaft, he's giving us a freaking shop heater, a gas shop heater with air conditioning. Where do you see this, man? You guys are gonna freak out. This is gonna be awesome, man. We're gonna take the Falcon down the track with a 460 in it, man. It's gonna be so much fun. Here we go. We're gonna flatbed this thing out. Are you kidding me? Hey, I was gonna drive it out of here, right? But I had to call up the Youngbloods because you know what? I was over unloading my truck. I stepped off the back and fell, hit my arm, hit my head on a boat anchor. What are you kidding me? This is what we're doing, man. We're gonna flatbed this thing home. Check it out. Like I said before, she's got a 460 big block Ford in here with a C6 transmission. That's what I'm talking about. And I'm gonna take the drive shaft too and hack it up and make it fit the other car. I got a 64 Falcon. I'm gonna put it in there, broskies. How fast should we go? Should we really give him a ride for his money or what? Let's do it.
You can do this cross member here if they don't give you a line.
I don't think you can rip this out. I was thinking about it too. He told me go around here. I doubt you can rip this out. We're gonna do this. We're gonna put it around the sway bar. What do you think? It's dangerous, but we live life on the edge. Pretty good. Oh, here we go. Now we're talking business. Wow. That'll work. You want me to hold it up? We need to call in the artillery here, man. I don't think I can do this one by myself. She's a heavy. Look at that thing. That thing is heavy. Woo! So, Justin, are you scared?
A little, but we'll make it happen.
I'm scared for you. If anything happens, just pull over. I'll pull over behind you. Boom. Put on my blinkers. But I think you're going to be good. With all of us, we're going to make it happen. Here we go. Look at them doors. Look at them doors.
Oh, this steering sucks. Oh, fuck. Jacob, don't do that.
Woo, woo, woo! That is killer.
This is something. I didn't really plan on doing this Sunday. You know, I went to Riverhead, did some shopping, and then Jacob texted me, hey, you want to help makeshift flat tow an RV? And I was like, yeah, sure, expecting, you know, a running RV, not this. This is, once again, brakes, red light. Brakes are optional. Being that
I bet the brakes suck.
no running
I bet
engine,
the steering is
so
terrible.
basically
He's
manual
having
brakes.
a good time. I know it.
I wonder what would happen if I were to just
Behind
like put it in drive.
A couple of cars that
Nothing.
get by us.
Reverse, nothing. If I were to put it in park, I would destroy the parking pole. I'm very curious to see what would happen. That's how you blow up a transmission. Trainees. Alright. Put a shift kit in it, she'll be mint. Definitely getting some looks right now. For sure, getting some looks.
We'll wave everybody on. Then we'll pull up and see how Justin's doing.
We are only doing 35 miles an hour. Stop. Come on, stop. Oh, we're even getting passed by the bus. I tell you what, this thing flat tows pretty good for a van. The whole no doors factor is pretty sketcy, but you know how it be. Oh, and here comes the orchard. Oh, Jacob, stop doing that. You're gonna stay in it, stay in it.
That's funny.
This is something else. You guys need to watch out Makeshift is gonna have some competition sometime this season at the drag strip.
This is
And
gonna
it's
be
my
fun.
truck. But they don't need to know.
We'll figure it out when we get
They
there.
don't need to know. It's a stock work truck, I swear. I really don't know why I'm doing this. Maybe it's because I daily drove a 70s Ford for 2 years. I'm very used to being flat-toed. Oh, we're making a turn. Oh, brakes, 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 brakes. Oh, come on, turn, turn. Doing pretty good. We're on Oregon now. We're off the main road. I like how it has an aftermarket tack on it.
Yo, go into the first driveway. And up around, yeah, go into the first driveway, make the U-E, go back down, and then slow down. We're gonna push it with my truck back into a hole. We'll back it in.
Oh, come on, turn, 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 turn.
That's great.
I wonder if there's any wildlife in this thing. A raccoon or something? Never know. Oh, we're gonna hit this bump on purpose. Oh, something in the front making a whipping sound. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Maybe it's a tire or something. Might be something stuck on the tire or the axle. Who knows? Or maybe it's the brakes. It might be the brakes. Man, this thing had cruise control. All that. That RPM gauge on the dash was probably an option from the factory. The factory dashboard doesn't have it. So this is an old like, it's probably like an 83. So it's a brick nose body, full nose body style front end, probably 350 or 450 van. Probably a 350. I don't think they made a 450 van back then. I don't even know if they do today. And that noise is getting louder. We're just gonna keep ignoring it though.
But we'll get it back in and get it ready to rip the motor out, man. I'm looking forward to this. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. I love
we lost the tire.
Man. Free motor. And wait till we didn't even show you the heater and the air conditioner unit that we got for our shop. Wait till we show you this.
Keep going, Jacob.
I wouldn't say
We lost the tire. That's what that noise was. My driver's front tire is dead flat. We're gonna keep going though, because we are we're like not even an 1/8 mile from Makeshift shop. I'm now having to, oh, come on. It's now really a dog to hold it straight. Putting all my weight into it to keep it straight. Oh, did both go flat? Okay. I think both went flat. Oh, now it really won't turn. Both front tires are flat, I think. No, we got one flat tire. Oh, the tire came apart. Oh, the tire shredded itself. Like, these tires are probably from the 90s.
All right, slow down, slow down, slow down. Slow down.
We got a flat, bud.
All right. Just keep coming a little bit this way.
She ain't rolling. It needs to be pulled.
We're gonna push you back into that hole.
All right.
Now cut it this way. Good. Holy crap.
That was a ride.
How was the steering?
Not too bad.
No?
Until the tire blew.
Oh man, look at that tire. She is destroyed. She blew good. Look at that.
Yeah. As soon as we got off of 48, I started hearing like a noise, and I was like, man, I wonder what that is. And all of a sudden, boom, shit, it starts pulling over to the left. I look out and the tire's just shredding.
Oh, it was so funny watching you get down the road, man, with no doors.
Oh, I was getting some looks.
I cannot wait to pull this motor out. It's gonna be a fun project.
Yeah.
You know? Literally see through the tire here, out the other side. I can see daylight through the other side. He blew out both sides of that tire. That thing is shredded. Bring the sawzalls. Yeah, that would be nice.
One garbage can at a time.
Yeah, well, right there, right there.
One yellow bag. Oh, darn. I was going to do old school. One yellow bag.
Oh, yeah, yellow bag at a time. We'll get rid of it. I was thinking about pulling that and putting it in the garage.
I was looking for the bowling alley.
It's an O-hand.
Oh, that is soft.
And
well, if I crash through, make sure you get
might be a diesel. Eastern Long Island, broskies. That's where it's at. New York is it. So this looks fun, though. I mean, I don't have to have this. If somebody really wants it, yeah, you might want to take this and fucking do something with it.
Maybe.
You know? You might have fun with that. We'll cut it up in hunks and just throw it in the trailer, and I'll just keep making trips back and forth, back and forth, back and forth till we get down to the frame.
Yep.
We'll get the motor out of the way, and then you can take this frame. This will be a good frame.
Yeah.
And you could probably clean that tank out. Look at the suspension. Hey, this is a good deal. Look at this thing.
Yeah.
I think you struck payday, man.
Yeah, because all it is it's a dually van chassis that they plop the camper on top of.
And they just extended like a pipe out to hold the back of the campers in place. That's cool. If you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. Hit us up on all our platforms. It probably would have been fine if it didn't leak, but it leaked so long it just destroyed everything, you know? I could do that.
I don't know if it's straight. If you got it straight, I don't know if it fits.
Push it right to the trees and let it hit. Fucking up. Yeah, that'll be fine. Is it in neutral?
Yeah.
See what happens. So check it out, while we were there, we got hooked up. We got an air conditioning unit, we got a brand new, this thing is brand spanking new. When I say new, I'm not even kidding you. Brand spanking new heating, air conditioning combo heater for the garage. We're gonna be killing it this winter, broskies.